because the active component needs to be broken down. So you actually have to crush it, and you have to eat it soon after you crush it. If you wait too long, it sort of gets rid of.
National Weather Service in Goodland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Norton County in northwestern Kansas, East Central Decatur County in northwestern Kansas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clayton, Oregon, 13 miles southwest of Norton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Norton and East Central Decatur counties, including the following locations: Rager and Calvert. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Decatur, and Norton.
Several days later. Also, vitamin C is one of those that's water